Hey guys, Troy here, Titan Off-Road. Just wanted to real quick talk about a set of headlights for the Gladiator. Now, I am never one to cut corners. However, I talk about all the time not buying a cheap product, but these were recommended to me by a couple people in a local Jeep group. And for the Gladiator, the 9-inch headlights are not inexpensive, but $269.99 on Amazon. Very well rated. Hoyuza, Hoyuza JL 9-inch headlights are what they're listed as. Of course, they do fit the Gladiator. And just real quick, I've been really impressed with them. Super bright. I can't even tell you how bright. I mean, ridiculously bright. Really great light field. Really, I want to say, controlled light in front of you. It is just fantastic. They've been really, really, really solid now. No moisture condensation. They've been in there for about 2 months. So you can see zero condensation inside the lenses. And it has been hotter than hot, humid as all hell, and it's been through a lot of rain. So this Jeep sits outside is that guy, our other Jeep. And it's in the garage, and then my wife's Staley. What's up, buddy? But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a recommendation and tell you that I'm eating my words here. Occasionally, you can find a inexpensive product that does a nice job. So there you have it.